Alrighty, Candy Shop. Here's your LS engine. Just got done running it. Give you a description of this combination. It's got a set of our CNC heads on it. It's got a custom grind hydraulic roller. It's an aluminum block, LS3. Obviously, it's got the Borla stack injected. Nice setup. Fuel management, Holley Terminator X. That's the Holley front end on it. Show you how it ran. Alrighty, 3500. It is 490 foot-pounds of torque. Peaks torque 549. Peaks horsepower 581. So we rated at 530. That combination with the Borla on it. That's how good the Borla is on this combination. So everything's good. We'll get it on a crate. Come your way. Have a great day.